It was your genius plan to implant the star seeds in the first place that has put so much attention on them, and put you in such a prime position to learn everything they were up to, the cultist retorted. You were happy enough at the time, so don't try and retroactively admonish me now. I know hypocrisy is a core tenet of your church, but I'm not a follower. The Archbishop launched out of his seat and struck the cultist with a backhand slap, sending him sprawling to the ground. You will watch your rotten tongue on the lands belonging to our Lord, you monstrosity-worshipping filth. The cultist pushed himself back to his feet and wiped blood from a split lip. Did I touch a soft spot, Archbishop?